In this video, I'm gonna perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on the Xiaomi 17T Pro. I'm gonna see how fast the sensor is, how long does it take to unlock the phone, and for how long we have to hold our finger in order to unlock the phone. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna start with the lock screen. The fingerprint sensor is located over here at the bottom, so let's see. So of course, simple tapping doesn't work. This is due to the fact that we do not have ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. We have the optical one, so the pretty standard choice. And in this case, even though tapping does not really work, the sensor is not fast enough to recognize the fingerprint just by tapping, we don't have to hold our finger for too long, at least on the lock screen, of course. So as you can see, it's like something like in between tap and hold. I'm not sure how to actually describe it, but you have to hold your finger for just a tiny bit of a second, just like a fraction of a second, to be able to unlock the phone. So it's still pretty fast, despite not being ultrasonic sensor. It's still pretty fast, and it doesn't take too long to actually unlock the phone. But this is of course the lock screen. This is where the sensor is the fastest. And I'm gonna also check out the sensor when we have lock screen off, but we still have the sensor visible. So in this case, the sensor is going to be probably pretty similar in the case of the speed. Yeah, there we go. I would say it's identical to the speed on the lock screen, which is good because of course it should be. The sensor is still visible, so there is no reason for it to be slower. And there we go. Of course, tapping won't work. Maybe I'm saying tapping won't work, but at the same time, I'm like slightly tapping on it, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But this just shows that while like a very quick tapping doesn't not work, if you just hold your finger for that tiny bit of a second, then you can actually unlock the phone. So this just proves that the sensor can be in fact pretty fast, and it can react pretty quickly. There we go. But there are no issues with unlocking the phone whatsoever. It reacts pretty quickly. I think in the case of lock screen and when the sensor is visible, when we are, for example, on AOD, I feel like this is one of the fastest optical fingerprint sensors right now on the market. Of course, there might be some faster ones, but still, it's definitely one of the fastest. And the last thing that I want to check now is, of course, the sensor when it is not being displayed, so when the phone is locked. I'm gonna also turn off AOD just in a second, but in here, let's actually do so, because even though the sensor might not be displayed, it might still be active, and this is not what I want to do. So I'm gonna turn off AOD. It's actually in here. There we go. And I'm gonna lock the phone, and let's wait for the sensor to disappear. And then I'm gonna see how fast the sensor reacts. Now here, usually for optical sensors, we can see the difference in the speed of the fingerprint sensor, because the sensor usually needs to wake up and then it can start recognizing the fingerprint. So you might notice it's going to take a little bit longer. But honestly, after using the sensor for the first time right now, it didn't feel that it was that much slower. Now, unfortunately, it is definitely slower compared to lock screen or when the sensor is visible. Because if I just hold for that amount of time on the sensor, on lock screen for example, then definitely it would unlock the phone. In here, I just have to hold it just a tiny bit longer. So I would say it's still pretty fast, and this is definitely a little bit surprising how fast it is, because like I said, it's optical, so I guess it shouldn't be that fast, but it is that fast. And of course, this might be the most relevant test for many of you, because this is when most likely we want to unlock on our phone. We just don't go to the lock screen and then unlock our phone, although sometimes we do that in order to check notifications, but most of the time I believe we just want to use the sensor even when it's not visible, when the phone is completely locked, to unlock the phone quickly. And it seems that Xiaomi 17T Pro is really solid in that case. It's pretty rapid. Unfortunately, I cannot really figure out how long exactly we have to hold our finger, but you can see that in many cases you just have to hold for like maybe half a second or so. So still slower, as I said, than on the lock screen or when the sensor is visible, but not as slow as, I don't know, as not too slow so that I would have to complain about it or something. So honestly, I feel like the fingerprint sensor is very fast on this phone. I think it's pretty solid, and I don't think there is anything to complain about in this case. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.